Hey everybody, it's Mr. Chris with the Hudson Area Public Library. We are shooting another STEM video at you today. I'm a little cold, that's why I'm zipped up in the jacket. The heat isn't on in here today for some reason. But that's okay, it's not going to stop STEM. So please like or subscribe so we know that you're getting these videos and you're enjoying them. Today is an activity, hopefully you have the parts to do this at home, because I wanted to do more activities where it might be stuff you'd find in your house. So we are going to make hovercraft today. And so what you'll need is an old CD or a DVD or a blank disc. If your parents use any of these to record data or photos, back them up on that. You might have one of these laying around or an old one. So you want a disc like that. And then you're going to need a water bottle topper. So if you got something like that, a little screw cap version on a water bottle, disposable one, you're going to need that. And then you can use tape, like duct tape will work for it. On this one, I put some hot glue on there. You can kind of see that bead to keep the cap to the disc. You're going to want to glue that water bottle spout to the disc, and then you're going to be attaching a balloon to it. So if you have those things, you can make your very own hovercraft. So this one's already assembled just to save on time. So all I did was I pulled a balloon around the top of the water spout, opened up the cap, and then you attach the cap to the open hole on the disc. It's going to live right over the top of the hole. So that's when you either hot glue it or Elmer's glue or duct tape to hold that over the opening. And then to show you how it works here, we'll have our camera person back up a little bit here. So you're just going to fill it with air, and when you're ready to let it go, you got your own hover disc. So that's kind of how, if anybody's played air hockey on that, and that's what how the disc is riding on kind of a cushion of air. So we have a smooth table. We're providing the cushion of air with the air we're putting in the balloon, but that's the same principle on how an air hockey table works. You're using a very flat, smooth hockey puck disc, or our CD is very flat and smooth. The table's very flat and smooth. And so if you just do a little pocket of air, that air is going to allow it to glide. If you give it any kind of movement, it's just going to go on and on and on until you run out of table. And so that's trying to keep minimum resistance and friction between the disc and the table. And that's what allows a hover disc or a hovercraft to work. So we hope you like that video. I hope you can make one at home. If you do, send it in the library photos or videos of your trials for it. And we'll see you again soon with another STEM video. Thanks a lot.